Greetings everyone, myself Yashpal Katiyar from Developers and Coders Club, NIT Agartala, and today we're going to discuss the first question of CP Titan 3.0 sponsored by Algo Zenith. The question name is CP Tunnels and it was the first question. So it was very much straightforward question where in input we have provided you your contest rank and you have to tell whether you are selected for the mentorship program or not. If you are selected for the mentorship program, then you have to print a hooray, else you have to print a better luck next time. So as it's stated in the question, if your rank is among top 60, then you have to print hooray, else you have to print better luck next time. So it was very much straightforward question. Let's just look the code. So here we have taken the input of rank and we have applied the conditional statement here. If our input is less than 60 or our rank, or we can say that our rank is under among top 60, then we have to printed the hooray or else better luck next time. So that was all from my side, and if you have any doubt then ask in the chat groups and the WhatsApp groups. Thank you.